our YouTube and Instagram, Market Ki Baat Motilal Oswal ke साथ. So in this segment, we will be talking about market setup, stock specifications, how to trade the expiry, and nowadays we have Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and the Sensex options as well. So I'll talk about all the indices, options, stocks. So let's start. So talking about the Nifty first, on the last trading session, it formed an inside bar. That means it traded inside the trading range of the last day. It took support near to 19,330 marks, which is a key level, working well from last 3-4 days. But at the same time, it was finding supply near to 19,420-435 zone. So last trading session, it was in a range in between 19,330 to 19,420-430 marks. But today, we are starting on the positive note, led by some global positive stance. So again, 19,330 and 19,250 could be major support. Our stance is buy on decline in Nifty. Till it holds above 19,330, we'll go with buy on decline with support of 19,250 and looking for an up move to us 19,420 and 19,525. That is the lifetime high. If I look at the overall data setup, the Nifty is continuously making higher tops, higher bottom. In last 3-4 months, we have seen good run up of more than 2,500 points. But from last 5 days, it has been consolidating. So that consolidation is good because this consolidation only can give the trigger to the fresh setup in the market. So those who are holding the long positions, use the key support for intraday point of view of 19,250. Now, if someone is looking for positional, then we have support of 18,888 till Nifty remains above the same. Overall, we are expecting 19,750 to 20,000 marks. So यदि पोजिशनली बात करें तो 18,888 मेजर सपोर्ट है, ऊपर में 20,000 के टारगेट के लिए. बट कोई इमीडिएट में बात करें फॉर इंट्राडे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, देन वी हैव 19,250 एज अ की सपोर्ट टू प्ले द मूव टू अस 19,420 एंड देन हायर लेवल्स. Now let's talk about India VIX, because without talking about volatility, it would be tough to understand the market sentiment and the sense of the market. So VIX is comparatively hovering near to 11.5 and put call ratio is holding near to 1. So lower volatility indicates the declines are being bought. So positive to range bound bias is there in the Nifty index. Now when I talk about Bank Nifty is slightly negative. If you look at the last 3-4 days, we are making lower highs, lower lows from last 4 days, but we have multiple support near to 44,444. So if Bank Nifty till it doesn't breaks 44,444, now decline could be bought. But trading setup will be turned on positive side once we negate the formation of lower highs, lower lows. So we are having very conditional setup in Bank Nifty, either touch 44,444 or negate the lower highs, lower lows. So in that scenario, the broader range for the Bank Nifty will be 44,444 to 45,250 and 45,500. And intraday point of view, we have to look at the level of 44,700 to 45,200 kind of level. So this is what you can play. Now if I compare Nifty versus Bank Nifty, Nifty is comparatively more stronger. Why? Because of the selective IT, because of the reliance. Bank Nifty is weak because HDFC Limited, HDFC banks and few banking stocks are finding some pressure. But the good part is that beaten down name like Kotak Bank started to attract some buying interest and getting some stability in the market. Now, if I go on the stock specific side, again on last trading session, your returns decline ratio was slightly on negative side because many stocks were down. We have positive view on the Nifty Metal Index. If I look at the Nifty Metal Index, it has given a consolidation breakout on the daily chart, surpassed a falling supply trend line. So that is the reason that we have positive on the JSW Steel and other metal name. So JSW Steel की बात करें, the stock is giving the multiple years breakout. It has managed to surpass the barrier of 800 level and given a decisive close above the same. So we believe that JSW Steel can do well. We have major support near to 780, 785. Use any small decline to buy with this support, and stock has potential to see the fresh leg of rally. So metal is the one space where we'll turn into the positive side, whether you talk about JSW Steel or Jindal Steel. Apart from that, selective financial could be in focus, which are now getting stability. Like today also we talked and we have studied on L&T Finance. The stock is now negating lower highs, lower lows, measure weekly trend setup is positive. So here one can focus for the trading point of view. So JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, other metal name, and this sector is on radar. Few financial name are in focus. Now everyone is interested to talk about Reliance Industry. And guys, those who are having any question, you can also post on our YouTube and Insta. So we'll pick the selective questions and we'll reply in this show as well. And after the show also, whatever the questions we have, we will continue to reply. Now if I talk about the Reliance, we have noticed on the last trading session when Bank Nifty was dull, many heavyweight stocks were not doing well. Reliance was the one who are leading from the front to take the index on the positive note. So the stock has given a consolidation breakout. On last trading session, the Reliance headed towards 2750 kind of level. We have seen the positive price actions given a breakout on the daily chart. So overall positive bias is there, and the good part is that this stock or heavyweight stock is forming a positive price pattern. So if I look at the lifetime high for the counter, that is 2856, and slow and steady the stock should go to those zones. But for that it has to hold the support of 2675 level. So 2675 to 2800 and 2850, this is going to be the new trading band for the Reliance industry. So we talked about Reliance, we discussed about metal name, few financials name, and again if I talk about now Fin Nifty, because today is the Tuesday, and Tuesday is the Fin focus day, Fin Nifty expiry day. So when I talk about the Nifty Finsa or financial Nifty, major trend is positive, but on daily basis this index is making lower highs, lower lows from last 4 days. Just 5 days back, on 4th of July, the Fin Nifty made high near to 20,577, and now it's near to 20,057. So we have seen correction of around 500 points in the financial Nifty, and now either it requires the negation of lower highs, lower lows, or it requires to hold of 19,900. So either hold 19,900 or see the negation beyond 20,200. Then only the setup will change from profit booking to again next leg of rally in the Fin Nifty. So guys, keep these levels in mind. These levels will definitely provide you the trading setup. For today point of view, we'll focus at 19,900 to 20,200 is a trading range for the Fin Nifty index. And again to repeat, Nifty is slightly positive bias, but Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty is slightly getting kept upside. So you can understand that the major movement in Nifty was due to the movement in Reliance and few other heavyweights counter. Now if I turn on stock specific, we are getting some queries. People are asking about mid-cap name also. So let me take one query. I'll talk about one stock that is called the Mazdok. So if you are commenting about Mazdok, let me talk about this. So we have noticed that shipbuilding companies, shipyard company has seen good momentum. Mazdok has given a consolidation breakout. YTD basis, this stock is up by around 82%. On daily and weekly chart, it has given a decisive breakout above 1330 levels. Yesterday it formed a bullish candle. So use any small decline as a buying opportunity. Overall, we are expecting this stock to move towards 1500 to 1520 levels. We are also getting query on the Raymond. So if I talk about the Raymond, this stock is also making a high top, higher bottom on the weekly and the daily chart. Immediate support for the stock goes near to 1750. Upside is 1850 and 1870 kind of level. Apart from that, if I look at other mid-cap name, then one need to focus on selective financials, need to focus on defense name. If you are talking about BDL and all, people are talking about Excite industry. We have seen good momentum in battery name, whether we talk about Olectra or JBM Auto. Excite industry is one stock which is showing a strength. Continuously we are making higher tops, higher bottom in this name. So major support is near to 238. Use the decline as a buying opportunity. Look for a move towards 260, 265 plus. In pharma, we have seen momentum, but again the follow-up is totally missing. People are asking about the auto name. So Nifty Auto looks strong. If someone is looking for positional view, then auto stocks looks to be in 5th gear, and we have seen good run up in most of the auto name, whether we talk about Tata Motors or whether we look at the other stocks. So today I'll talk about escorts. Even people are asking about the view on escorts. So stock has given a breakouts, managed to give the decisive close about 2270. So here we have support near to 2220. Slow and steady stock can head towards 2400 kind of level. So selective auto, defense, ship companies, even selective mid-cap name could be in focus. Nifty positive to range bound bias. 19333, 19250 are key level. 19420 and 19525 are key level in Nifty index for trading point of view. Bank Nifty need to look at the decisive range breakout. Fin Nifty is making lower highs, lower lows. India VIX is at lower levels. So this is the sum up. And guys, stay tuning with us. Keep on watching all our recordings. Even after viewing this video, if you have any query, text us. Our team is totally focused to reply all your queries. So thank you all for being with us. It's great to interact with you. Let's have a profitable day. Enjoy the Fin Nifty expiry as well. And for all the Motilal Oswal clients, we are also having the stock ammo, we are having Zoom con call, even the YouTube live and Insta live are the new initiatives we are taking, so that directly we can pass our conviction and we can interact with you well. Thank you so much. Thanks to entire team. Have a great day. Enjoy.